Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Ebony and I'm Erica. In today's video, we're going to be talking about an ingredient that you may possibly need in your life, and that ingredient is activated charcoal.
Yeah, it's actually been around for a long time.
Yeah,
but it's been popular.
Like turmeric, turmeric had that little popular pop.
Yeah,
activated charcoal is like
the thing now.
All right, so activated charcoal has been used in ancient Chinese medicine from like years back. So if you get food poisoning, activated charcoal is like an absorbing ingredient. It's
like the go-to.
So like you take it and then it absorbs all the toxins before it harms you. So that's why people take it for food poisoning. Some people take it, when they have a hangover. But yeah, so we're not going to talk about the medicinal purposes of activated charcoal. There are so many uses for activated charcoal, and we're going to talk about.
We'll be here for hours.
Yeah. So basically, we're going to talk about the uses for hair, beauty, and skincare. So let's get started. Alright, so activated charcoal comes in two forms. It comes in capsule and powder form. A lot of people prefer the capsule form because it's less messier, but honestly, they're both kind of messy. But I guess out of the two, I would prefer the capsules. Now, activated charcoal is great for the skin because it is known to be detoxifying. It sucks out all those impurities and it is a great exfoliating agent. So now we're just going to show you two DIY skin products. One is a peeling face mask for those clogged pores, and the other is a spot treatment for those annoying blemishes. Alright, so now for the face mask, you're going to use 1 teaspoon of gelatin, 1 tablespoon of distilled water, and 1 teaspoon of activated charcoal powder. And you're just going to pour all of that into a double boiler, and you're just going to boil that over low heat until it's all melted. Make sure the gelatin is melted until you get that liquidy consistency. And then you're just going to pour it into a small little container, and then I have this rubber mask applicator that I got from Amazon. I have it linked below, but it's super cool. And you're just going to apply that all over your face. It's not that messy, which is great. But yeah, you're just going to apply that all over your face. And then once you're done with that, you're just going to wait about 10 to 20 minutes. And after that 10 to 20 minutes are up, you're just going to start peeling. It was a little hard to peel off, so I had to do most of it off camera. And it hurt a little bit too. But once that's all off, your face will feel clean and fresh. Alright, so now for the spot treatment, you're just going to use 3 capsules of activated charcoal, 3 to 4 drops of tea tree oil, 1 teaspoon of witch hazel, and a little container to put it in. Super easy DIY. Again, you're just going to mix everything together, and I like to mix it with a Q-tip. And once you mix it all together, you're just going to dot it all over your blemishes and leave it on for about 20 minutes or until it dries, and then you just wash it off. Activated charcoal is a great ingredient for lightening the underarm area. Along with acting as an exfoliant, it also helps remove dead skin cells and helps with underarm odor. So for this, all you're going to need are 2 capsules and then 2 teaspoons of raw honey, and you're just going to mix everything into a little container, and you're just going to mix it until you get a paste-like consistency, and then you're just going to slap it under your arms and just leave it there for about 5 to 10 minutes to get it working, and then you're just going to wash it off. Alright, so now moving along to the hair. As mentioned earlier, absorption is one of activated charcoal's key strengths. With that being said, it is great for the hair, especially your scalp. We're actually seeing more and more products with activated charcoal, more and more hair products I should say. But anyway, charcoal removes and absorbs all the oils and toxins that may cause your itchy scalp, and this even helps remove the odor as well. So for this hair mask, you're going to need 2 tablespoons of bentonite clay, 4 tablespoons of rose water, 2 drops of peppermint oil, 2 drops of rosemary oil, 2 capsules of activated charcoal, and non-metal utensils. So you're just going to mix that all together until it's like a thick paste, and then you're just going to slather it onto your hair, all over your hair like a regular hair mask. Put a shower cap on for about 20 minutes and then rinse it out. And if you don't want to do a mask, just add some charcoal to your favorite shampoo for a deep cleansing. Okay, so segueing into our last segment, which is beauty. Yes, activated charcoal can be used to make your favorite beauty products, and the 3 we are going to focus on are eyeliner, mascara, and teeth whitening. So for the eyeliner, we're going to use 2 products, and that is the activated charcoal powder and the jojoba oil. And you're just going to mix these 2 together until you get a consistency that you like. Again, you can keep adding the jojoba oil depending on how you like your liquid eyeliner. And we're just going to pour that into a little eyeliner container. And with an eyeliner brush, you're just going to apply it just like a regular liquid eyeliner. Not quite sure about the staying power of this eyeliner, but it is a great alternative if you are allergic to chemicals in regular eyeliner. Alright, so for the mascara, you're going to need 2 teaspoons of coconut oil, 4 teaspoons of aloe vera gel, 1 teaspoon of beeswax pellets, 2 capsules, an empty mascara tube, and just a Ziploc bag or funnel for easy pouring. And you're just going to first melt the beeswax pellets, aloe vera gel, and coconut oil together. Make sure the pellets are melted before you add in the capsules. So after that, you're just going to add in the capsules, and then you're just going to stir everything together until it's melted. And then you're going to take your little funnel, and then for easy pouring so it won't be a mess, you're just going to use that. And voila! There's your mascara. And that's Ebony applying the mascara. Be careful with your bottom lashes because this mascara does smudge. But yeah, and that's her with the mascara and the eyeliner on. Looks nice, nice combo there. Alright, now back to the whitening topic. Activated charcoal is great for whitening teeth. This is how I first learned about what activated charcoal was, because I saw all those teeth whitening products with activated charcoal in it. And the charcoal actually sticks to stains, and when the charcoal is removed, it helps remove the stains.
Alright guys, so that's all for our uses and benefits for your hair, your skin, makeup and stuff. Right? That's actually pretty cool. Yeah, the mascara and eyeliner. Yeah, I like that's my favorite part. Yeah, so let us know in the comments if you guys use activated charcoal. This is our first time using it. I really want to keep up with the underarm, the activated charcoal underarm. Me too, because summer is coming up and we're going to be wearing tank tops and stuff. So I always get lazy when it comes to like underarm lightening treatments and stuff. But I'm going to keep up with it for the month of March, and then I'll give you guys maybe an update in a vlog or something. See how it goes, if it does actually lighten. But a lot of people do like use it for under their arms and stuff. But yeah, let us know in the comments if you've used activated charcoal. Thank you guys for watching our video. We love you guys so much, and we'll see you guys next week. Bye!